Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Recently, properties of Pakistan-based terrorist handlers were attached in Ramban district, J&K. Under which law are such actions typically taken to curb terror financing? The correct answer is Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA. The Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA, is the primary law in India for preventing unlawful activities, including those related to terrorism and its financing. Property attachment for terror-related offences is typically done under UAPA. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. Goa CM recently announced that Goa would become India's living laboratory for sustainable architecture. Which of the following best describes the concept of sustainable architecture? The correct answer is design and construction practices that minimize negative environmental impact and promote resource efficiency. Sustainable architecture involves designing and constructing buildings using methods and materials that minimize environmental impact, conserve resources, and improve indoor environmental quality throughout the building's life cycle. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. Tripura recently crossed a significant milestone in rooftop solar installations under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. What is the primary objective of this scheme? The correct answer is to provide financial assistance for installing rooftop solar panels and reduce electricity bills for households. The PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana aims to provide financial subsidies to households for installing rooftop solar panels, thereby reducing their electricity bills and promoting renewable energy adoption. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. The India Meteorological Department, IMD, recently forecasted below normal rainfall for August. Which of the following phenomena is often associated with below normal monsoon rainfall in India? The correct answer is El Niño. El Niño, a climate pattern characterized by the unusual warming of surface waters in the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean, is often associated with weaker monsoon rainfall and drought conditions in India. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Which of the following fundamental rights is not available to foreign citizens in India? The correct answer is right to freedom of speech and expression, Article 19. Article 19, which guarantees 6 freedoms including freedom of speech and expression, is available only to Indian citizens. Articles 14, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28 are available to both citizens and foreigners. Sariyana Badil, 19. 19. 14, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Question 6. The right to education, Article 21A, was added to the Indian Constitution by which amendment? 21. The correct answer is 86th Amendment Act. The 86th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2002 made education a fundamental right under Article 21, obligating the state to provide free and compulsory education to all children between 6 to 14 years. சரியான பதில் 86. 2002 86 21 6 14. Question 7. Which of the following directive principles of state policy, DPSP, was not originally part of the Constitution but was added by an amendment? The correct answer is to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forests and wildlife, Article 48A. Article 48, which deals with the protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding forests and wildlife, was added by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. The other options were part of the original constitution. சரியான பதில் 48. 48 1976 42. Question 8. The fundamental duties were incorporated into the Indian Constitution on the recommendation of which committee? The correct answer is Swaran Singh Committee. The Swaran Singh Committee was constituted in 1976 to make recommendations about fundamental duties, which were subsequently added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act. சரியான பதில் 1976 42. Question 9. Under which article of the Constitution can a person move the Supreme Court directly for the enforcement of fundamental rights? The correct answer is Article 32. Article 32 guarantees the right to constitutional remedies, allowing individuals to move the Supreme Court directly for the enforcement of their fundamental rights. The Supreme Court has the power to issue writs for this purpose. சரியான பதில் 32. 32. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding the directive principles of state policy, DPSPs. 1. They are justiciable in nature. 2. They aim at establishing a welfare state. 3. They are enforceable by courts. Which of the statements given above is are correct? 1. 2. 3. The correct answer is 2 only. DPSPs are non-justiciable and non-enforceable by courts, meaning a person cannot move the court if the government fails to implement them. However, they are fundamental in the governance of the country and aim to establish a welfare state. சரியான பதில் 2. Question 11. How many fundamental duties are currently enshrined in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is 11. Originally, there were 10 fundamental duties added by the 42nd Amendment Act. The 11th fundamental duty, concerning providing opportunities for education, was added by the 86th Amendment Act of 2002. சரியான பதில் 11. 42 10. 11 2002 86. Question 12. The protection against arrest and detention in certain cases is provided under which article of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Article 22. Article 22 of the Indian Constitution provides protection against arrest and detention in certain cases, laying down procedural safeguards for arrested persons. சரியான பதில் 22. 22. Question 13. Which of the following is not a Gandhian principle reflected in the DPSPs? The correct answer is to secure a uniform civil code for the citizens, Article 44. Article 44, which advocates for a uniform civil code, is considered a liberal intellectual principle. The other options, Articles 40, 43, 47, are categorized as Gandhian principles within the DPSPs. சரியான பதில் 44 44 40 43 47. Question 14. The right to privacy is protected as an intrinsic part of the right to life and personal liberty under which article of the Constitution? The correct answer is Article 21. In the landmark K.S. Puttaswamy case, 2017, the Supreme Court of India declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right, protected as an intrinsic part of the right to life and personal liberty under Article 21. சரியான பதில் 21. Ju. 2017, 21. Question 15. Which of the following is a fundamental duty mentioned in the Constitution? The correct answer is to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. One of the fundamental duties, Article 51A, D, is to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. While providing education is also related to the 11th FD, the option is framed as a general duty of parents-guardians, not a direct duty of all citizens as listed. சரியான பதில் 51. 11. Question 16. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides protection in respect of conviction for offences, including protection against ex post facto laws, double jeopardy, and self-incrimination? The correct answer is Article 20. Article 20 of the Indian Constitution grants protection in respect of conviction for offences covering three aspects: no ex post facto law, no double jeopardy, and no self-incrimination. சரியான பதில் 20. 20. Question 17. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution directs the state to promote cottage industries on an individual or cooperative basis in rural areas? The correct answer is Article 43. Article 43 of the Indian Constitution, under the directive principles of state policy, mandates the state to endeavour to promote cottage industries on an individual or cooperative basis in rural areas. சரியான பதில் 43. 43. Question 18. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution based on the recommendations of which committee? The correct answer is Swaran Singh Committee. The fundamental duties were incorporated into the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976, based on the recommendations of the Swaran Singh Committee. சரியான பதில் 42, 1976. Question 19. Consider the following statements regarding fundamental rights, FRs, and directive principles of state policy, DPSPs, in the Indian Constitution. 1. FRs are justiciable, while DPSPs are non-justiciable. 2. FRs aim to establish political democracy, while DPSPs aim to establish social and economic democracy. 3. Parliament can amend FRs to implement DPSPs, but not vice versa. Which of the statements given above is are correct? FRs, DPSPs. 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 1 and 2 only. Statements 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 3 is incorrect because while Parliament can amend FRs, the basic structure doctrine limits this power, and it cannot completely abrogate FRs even to implement DPSPs if it violates the basic structure. The Supreme Court has held that a harmonious construction between FRs and DPSPs is necessary. சரியான பதில் 1 2 1 2 3. Question 20. Recently, properties of several Pakistan-based terrorist handlers were attached by the police in Ramban district of Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following acts primarily enables such actions to prevent terror financing activities in India? The correct answer is Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, 1967, UAPA. The Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, 1967, UAPA, is the primary law in India that deals with preventing unlawful activities and terrorism, including provisions for attachment and forfeiture of properties linked to terrorist activities and terror financing. While PMLA also deals with proceeds of crime, UAPA specifically targets terror-related assets. சரியான பதில் 1967 UAPA. 1967 UAPA. PMLA, UAPA. Question 21. Tripura recently achieved a significant milestone by installing over 15 megawatts of rooftop solar capacity under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. What is the primary objective of this scheme? 15. The correct answer is to encourage rooftop solar installations in residential households by providing subsidies. The PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana aims to encourage rooftop solar installations in residential households across India by providing financial assistance and subsidies, thereby promoting renewable energy and reducing electricity bills for consumers. சரியான பதில். Question 22. The Pune Pact, 1932, was an agreement between Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. What was its primary outcome? 1932 Tut. The correct answer is reservation of electoral seats for the depressed classes in the provincial legislatures and the central legislature. The Pune Pact, 1932, led to the abandonment of separate electorates for the depressed classes and instead provided for reserved seats for them in the provincial and central legislatures, which were to be filled by joint electorates. சரியான பதில். 1932. Question 23. The Western Ghats are recognized as one of the world's 8 hottest hotspots of biological diversity. Which of the following statements about the Western Ghats is not correct? The correct answer is they are a continuous mountain range without any significant gaps. The Western Ghats are not a continuous mountain range, they have a significant gap called the Palghat Gap, Palakkad Gap, between the Nilgiri Hills and the Anaimlai Hills, which facilitates communication between Tamil Nadu and Kerala. சரியான பதில். Question 24. Which of the following bodies is responsible for determining the benchmark interest rates in India, such as the repo rate and reverse repo rate, to achieve the inflation target? The correct answer is Monetary Policy Committee, MPC. The Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, is a 6-member committee, headed by the RBI Governor, responsible for fixing the benchmark interest rate, repo rate, to contain inflation within the target level set by the Government of India. சரியான பதில் MPC. Question 25. Project Tiger, a wildlife conservation project in India, was launched with the aim of protecting the Bengal tiger. In which year was Project Tiger launched? The correct answer is 1973. Project Tiger was launched in 1973 by the Government of India to protect the endangered Bengal tiger and its habitats. சரியான பதில் 1973. 1973. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.